In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook too many requests error 429. If you're seeing the 429 too many requests message in Outlook on the web, it usually means Microsoft has temporarily limited your access because the system detected a burst of activity from your browser or your network. This can happen after lots of rapid clicks, repeated refreshes, background tabs, constantly checking mail, or when many people share the same public IP. The good news is it's almost always temporary and fixable. The most effective first move is to simply wait. Give Outlook time to lift the temporary block and avoid refreshing the page or trying to sign in repeatedly while you wait. Close any extra Outlook tabs and pause any automated tools or add-ons that might be pinging your inbox. Stepping away for a short while helps the limit reset. Next, try opening Outlook in a private or incognito window. This mode runs with a clean session and ignores most stored data that might be causing repeated stuck requests. Open a private window in your browser, go to the Outlook website, and sign in. If it loads normally there, you'll know your regular browsing data was part of the issue. If the private window helps, go back to your main browser and clear your cache and cookies to remove the data that may be triggering automated requests. In your browser's settings, look for privacy or clear browsing data. Select cookies and cached images and files. Choose a suitable time range, recent or all time, and confirm. Then fully close and reopen the browser before trying Outlook again. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot temporarily. This changes your IP address, which can immediately bypass a rate limit applied to your previous network. After connecting to the hotspot, open Outlook again and see if the error clears. Temporarily turn off any VPN or proxy services. These tools often route many users through the same IP, which can look like heavy automated traffic to Outlook and trigger rate limiting. Disable the VPN or proxy, refresh Outlook, and only turn it back on once everything is working reliably. As a last resort, change your account password. This forces a fresh authentication session and can reset a lock tied to your credentials. Be ready to sign back in on your devices afterward and choose a strong, unique password. Work through these fixes patiently, and you should be back into your inbox soon. If the block persists, give it more time, then repeat the steps starting with a private window and a cleared cache.